We're out in the western suburbs, and this is a Dollar Tree Plus now. I've not been to one, but they have all these like $3 and $5 items. Kind of cool. Oh. What do you see?
They have t-shirts.
T-shirts. Oh my gosh, they have Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Oh, they have baby Yoda.
I'm gonna have to see if there's one in my size. Yeah, interesting. I don't know what I think about it, but kind of cool. Nice pumpkins. Look at these, are cute. $3. That's not bad. Oh my goodness, those are cute. Ooh. I really don't need another pumpkin, guys, at all. But I kind of like these colors. They're like dark and moody. Kind of matches something I bought at a yard sale the other day. Molly has taught herself to crochet. Tell them what you're making.
I taught myself. I just watched a YouTube video. YouTube taught me how to crochet. I'm making granny squares with little daisies.
So cute.
And so I haven't done the square part yet. That's just the little flower. But then you make the squares and you attach all the squares and make a blanket.
What colors are the daisies going to be?
I have pink, blue, and like this light green. And then like the background color is just this like cream.
Cute. I'm impressed, Malsey.
Thanks. I was bored. I needed something to do.
She's pretty crafty. That's true. You know, the apple. What they say about the apple.
Doesn't fall far.
That's right.
So true.
Molly has an update.
So this is what I'll just hold up one. This is what they look like.
Cute.
So eventually I will attach them all. They're a little scrunched right now. But eventually
and what are they called? Granny squares or something?
Granny squares. And they'll make a blanket.
Love it. I'm so proud of you, Mal. Good job. Thanks. This is I did my colonoscopy celebration drink. Go get your colonoscopy. If you're 45 or older and haven't had one, you got to schedule it. And yeah, it wasn't bad. The prep was not great. You have to drink a lot of fluid, and that was tough for me. But overall, it really wasn't painful or anything. And sorry, we're going through an intersection. So yeah, get that done. Get that done. They said everyone's so backed up. That wasn't meant to be a play on words, but everyone's so backed up because COVID. Like, people put things off, and so now it's like a big game of catch up. So they're like they're booking out. Like, I booked mine back in February and it's in July. So anyway, but you should go get one too. That's the PSA I'm giving you. All right, talk to you later. Hello, Chris and I are here in our yard. We got some products sent to us, some patio furniture from Costway, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll tell you about where we're gonna use it, and we'll put it together and tell you what we think of it. So let's go ahead. Okay, Chris is unboxing. You're not supposed to use a knife, but he was being risky. Oh, it's pretty. I like the colors of the cushions. The reason I got this color, I'm gonna turn the camera slowly. We're panning, don't get seasick. But see up there, I just got that new umbrella. Now, this furniture is going to be down here, which I'll tell you about in a second, down here. But I thought it'd be nice to have the two coordinating. So you go ahead and unbox, right?
Yeah.
That's a really good match.
Yep.
All right, let's see.
I think I'm just going to have to lift the whole thing out.
Okay.
So let's see if I can.
And the dog is barking. Hold on a second. Okay, he got it out. It's all one neatly wrapped little package. What tools do you need to assemble it, Hubs? Costway.
User manual, rattan.
And I'll put a link for this product in my description box. They reached out and asked if I wanted to test a product, and I chose this product. It's called the 3-piece rattan wicker sofa set with washable, removable cushions. And the price on it is $149. And the reason I chose that is because I bought something similar from Target for a similar price. So I wanted to show something that I would actually be willing to spend this amount on. Okay, so this is what we currently call the Gracio. You can see the painted lines. We called the dig people. You know, you have to call before you dig. We did that, and we're waiting on them to come and tell us if it's okay to dig here. We do know that we have one sprinkler that we need to have moved, not us personally move, but have the sprinkler man move. And then we are going to do a DIY patio project here. The reason being, Penny, our new puppy, loves to be down here in the yard. And so we find ourselves sitting down here way more than up there, especially in the evenings, because this actually gets some shade in the evenings and that does not. So that's what's going to happen. So the furniture right now will go where those two chairs are, just for, you know, so we can all imagine what it will be like when we put our patio in. I'm sure I'm capable of putting this together, but in our marriage, that sort of falls to Chris. He's just really good at putting things together. So I let him do it. Okay, here's the first chair. How did it go together?
Pretty well.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
Okay, Chris is 6 feet tall. It's low. It's a low chair. I don't think that's going to be comfy in the yard. How does it feel?
I mean, it doesn't feel bad.
Why isn't it built to like a more standard seat height? He's assembling the table. Penny likes the chair. It's a good hiding spot. The chair is comfortable. I'm sitting in one. I'm surprised that they made it so low. Doesn't make a lot of sense, especially because it's wide seated for like, and it's like weight rated for, you know, heavier people. So I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me that it would be so low to the ground. That would be my one major piece of feedback, Costway. Make your chairs a little higher. We're tall people. Here in Minnesota, a lot of tall people. Good Swedish folk. Look, I'm helping.
Yeehaw.
Okay, so here's what it looks like in place. It looks really nice, and I do like the width of the seat. And it's rated to like 220 pounds or 300 pounds, something like that. So it can hold big people. It's just that the height is weird. It's big people, but not tall people. Because I'm going to show you the height of the seat. Just so you all can see, these are just under 12 inches to the top of the rattan, or just under 15 inches to the top of the cushion. But these, you can see the height of the seat, the rattan is like 16.5 inches. So we're already taller than that one is with its cushion. And then you're almost at 18 inches with the cushion on these. So Costway makes a set like this with the taller seats. So if I had to do it all over again, and I think it's $169. So I'd spend the extra 20 bucks and get the ones with the normal, I say normal, but I mean good for us, because I'm 5'6", Chris is 6 foot, Gabe is 6'2", and these are fine for us. So I'd say go with the ones with the taller seat cushions. Costway makes one, and I like the look of the set that I got, but I don't like the height of the seats. Okay, here's what happened. I talked to the person at Costway and I said, these chairs are really short for my tall family. Although it seems to bother some of us more than others. It bothers me and Chris. Gabe doesn't seem fazed by it. And Molly really likes the height because she's only 5'5". But anyway, so she's like, well, let me send you another set so you can do a comparison. So they sent us this set, and so funny. This is extremely similar to the set I bought myself from Target like a year or two ago. So Chris is putting it together. Hold on a second. There's neighbors walking. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, the neighbors have passed. So anyway, so Chris is putting together the new set, and I know I'm going to like it because essentially I have this one already. So we will put it together. Thoughts on how it's going together, Chris? Is it easier or more difficult than the other set, or?
I'd say it's equal. Okay,
here's the new, what they call conversation set. So much better. I'll get Chris to sit in it in a minute, but basically, if you remember, this one was like 13 inches. This one's 16.5 inches. So works much better for me and Chris. I'm almost 5'7" and he's 6, what did he say? 6'1"? 6 foot, 6'1", something like that. So works much better. This one's 169. This one's 149. This one has the storage table, which I do really like. Right now, I think we just have the doggy's bubbles. She likes bubbles. We have that in there, but that's nice. But I do like the table too. And Chris really likes the glass top because it works better for, you know, a coffee cup or whatever, which is kind of how we use this area. So let me get Chris and have him sit and show you how it fits on a taller person. Here's what the two of them look like in what will be our patio. Okay, here's Chris. He's gonna sit in one of the new chairs.
All right.
How tall are you again? I forgot.
6 foot.
6 foot. Okay, so here's Chris sitting in the chair. What do you think?
It's good. It's a nice height. It's a very natural
Okay.
position.
Comfortable? I sat in one. I was comfortable there.
Comfortable. Table's a good height.
Yep.
I like this table with the glass top.
That's what I was telling them.
Yeah.
Good for
nice.
a coffee cup.
Yeah.
Cool. So our review would be, if you don't mind a lower chair, this one's nice and wide. This one is narrower, but we like the higher chair. The kids don't mind this. Molly is 5'5". She's perfectly happy in these chairs. Gabe just stretches his legs out. He's fine, but he hasn't tried this one yet. Although he really has, because we have the same set. For me personally, I would probably go with this one for the 169 because it exactly matches something that I picked out for myself that I really like. Anyway, if you're interested in either of these products, there's discount codes in my description box. Thank you to Costway for sending me them so I could compare them. Yeah, this has been fun. See you next time. Bye.